Hi America, good evening. Today I would like to talk to you about recycling. Recycling glass, to be more specific. Why do we need to recycle, you ask? The world's forests are being destroyed at a rate of 1 acre per second. Every 16 minutes, a forest the size of New York Central Park is being destroyed. Every day, a forest the size of Philadelphia, 74,000 acres, is lost. And every year, in an area the size of Pennsylvania, 27 million acres is ruined. To date, scientists have named 1.4 million species of plants and animals, but estimate between 5 and 30 million share our planet. Tropical rainforests, which are home to about half of all the Earth's plants and animal species, are being destroyed at a rate of 100 acres per minute. Glass recycling is both simple and beneficial. Let's start with the benefits of glass recycling. Recycling has created an estimated 30,000 jobs since 1970. Glass recycling is good for the environment. A glass bottle that is sent to a landfill can take up to 1 million years to break down. By contrast, it takes only as little as 30 days for a recycled glass bottle to leave your kitchen recycling bin and appear on a store shelf, a new glass container. Glass recycling is sustainable. Glass containers are 100% recyclable, which means they can be recycled repeatedly, again and again, with no loss of purity or quality in the glass. Glass recycling is efficient. Removed glass from glass recycling is a primary ingredient in all new glass containers. A typical glass container is made of as much as 70% recycled glass. According to industry estimates, 80% of all recycled glass eventually ends up as new glass containers. Glass recycling consumes natural resources. Every ton of glass that is recycled saves more than a ton of raw materials needed to create new glass, including 1,300 pounds of sand, 410 pounds of soda ash, and 380 pounds of limestone are saved when we use recycled glass. Glass recycling saves energy. Making new glass means sand and other substances to heat up to temperatures of 2,600 degrees Fahrenheit, which requires a lot of energy and creates a lot of industrial pollution. One of the first steps in glass recycling is to crush the glass and create a product called cullet. Making recycled glass produced from cullet consumes 40% less energy than making new glass from raw materials. Because cullet melts at a much lower temperature, it makes recycling more beneficial. Recyclable glass is useful because glass is made from natural materials such as sand and limestone. Its glass containers have a low rate of chemical interaction with contents. As a result, glass can be safely reused. Besides serving as the primary ingredient in a new glass container, recycled glass also has many other commercial uses, from creating decorative tiles and other landscaping materials to rebuilding eroded beaches. So why are we really recycling glass? Well, in conclusion, glass recycling is also simple. It's simple because glass is one of the easiest materials to recycle. For one thing, glass is accepted by almost all curbside recycling programs and municipal recycling centers. If you need an extra incentive to recycle glass, how about this? Several U.S. states offer cash refunds. For most glass bottles, in some areas, glass recycling can actually put a little extra money in your pocket. For more facts, please go to earth911.com and environmentalgreen.com to get more information so you can get involved in recycling glass. Recycling glass can make a difference in all our lives because what's good for the environment is definitely good for us. So remember, recycle glass.